everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I install this loose, curly, textured hair. I am so here for it. If you guys want to see how I install it, then please continue to watch. As you can see, I have my wig cap on my head, and this is a HD wig cap. And I'm going to go in with some foundation, and I'm going to conceal the hair a bit. Now, if you guys want to see a video on how I do the ball cap method, comment down below, and I'll definitely film one. Alright, so let's get into this wig, and the wig that I'm rocking in today's video is from OMGHerHair. I have worn their wigs quite a few times, and I love the fact that they are beginner friendly and they're pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so I don't have to do anything to it. Are you seeing that hairline? It's nice and clean. And you guys, this is the loose curly hair. I've never tried their curly textured hair before, but I can tell you right now, I absolutely love this curly hair. I don't wear a lot of curly hair because sometimes I find that they're a little bit harder to manage and hard to maintain, and sometimes they do tend to shed a lot, but I really love this one. This lace wig is 180 density, and it has the combs on the side. You guys already know I don't like them, so I'm gonna remove that because I don't need that. Now I'm gonna go in my foundation and just conceal my wig cap, and I'm gonna use the My Sticky Little Secret Skin Protector to apply to my forehead before I apply glue. This is gonna advance the glue as well. This hairline looks absolutely flawless, but I like to customize my wigs. So I like to create kind of like a widow's peak because I naturally have one. So I take out two pieces in the front because I personally don't like when the wigs like go straight across and it just looks, you know, the hairline doesn't look natural to me, and this is how my natural hairline looks, so I kind of like to mimic it. Now as for the side, you can see that I pull out just a little bit of hair on the sides. I didn't go in with a tweezer, so just pull out a couple hair on the side just to make it a little bit more sparse because it looks more natural. And then I'm going to go in with a cuticle scissors and cut some sections in the lace. I like to do it in sections. The lace was a bit long, so I had to cut it because I couldn't really see what I was doing. So now I'm going to go in with my Sticky Little Secret lace glue, and I'm just going to apply about 2 layers of glue. So this is the first layer, and I'm going to go in my rat tail comb and just spread that out like butter, just like so. And then after doing that, I'm going to let that glue dry before I apply the second layer of glue. So now I'm going to go in and apply that second layer. The glue dries super fast, and I'm not just saying that because it's my glue. I absolutely love my glue. You know, it took me a while to come out with this product. I did a lot of testing before I launched the product, and I absolutely love it, and I love the feedbacks that you guys have given me on this product as well. Now I'm going to go in with the blow dryer on the cool setting. You always want to use a cool setting because it's going to activate the glue, and it's going to melt down that glue flawlessly into the wig. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the side. So I'm applying 2 layers of glue on the side, and I'm going to go ahead and wait until it dries clear. Once it's clear, then I'm going to pull down that lace and just melt the lace into the glue. So as you can see, I'm just pulling out some hair at the sides, and I'm going to go ahead and start cutting away all that extra lace. I personally like using the cuticle scissors to do this. I know some people prefer the eyebrow razor, but I just find that this works best for me, but you can do whatever works best for you. And honey, are you seeing how clean that looks? I am not even done yet, and it looks super clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side as well. Apply the lace glue and just spread it out and wait for it to dry clear. Once it's dry clear, you're going to go ahead and just use that blow dryer on the cool setting and then pull down that lace. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut away all that extra lace as well. Now I'm going to go in with my Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and it's just going to ensure that my wig looks super flawless and seamless, and the lace is going to be super melted into the skin. So I just apply it on my fingers and just tap it into the lace, and then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer for literally like maybe 15 seconds, and then I apply my melting band, and I'm going to leave this on for a while. Now you could leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I left mine on for a while because I actually stepped off camera to do my makeup, and I absolutely love how my makeup turned out today. If you guys want to see a tutorial, I actually filmed this tutorial for IG Reels, but if you want to see like a full detail tutorial on my makeup on YouTube, I can definitely film that for you guys. But now I'm back with my makeup on. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and just flatten down the wig a bit. Now usually with curly wigs, I would put products in it. I would put some hair mousse and I'd wet it to make the curls a little more defined, but honestly I really love how the curls look. I love the loose curls. and I did not want to put any product in it whatsoever. Wanted you guys to see how the curls actually look without products. So this is how it's looking. Honestly, this is probably going to be one of my go-to wigs this summer because I am feeling her, and I'm usually not like, I usually don't really love a lot of curly wigs, but I do love curly loose texture. I can't even talk, guys. Loose texture. But are you seeing the hairline? It looks absolutely flawless. I love how it turned out, and I hope this video was helpful. I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Bye.